welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Make sure you press that red subscribe button down below and press the bell so you don't miss a thing your girl posts. Alright y'all, so this is going to be a journey type of video. So I'm basically going to be vlogging. I told you guys about that room that I was going to be making my inventory room because my house has turned into a disaster with all this inventory all over my open space. And if you know me, I keep my house clean. I don't like clutter. I like things to be clean and to look nice. And let me show you because it's bugging me. Baby, this is just too much all over the place. And this isn't even everything, guys. So I told you guys in videos previously that my mom and I are gonna be cleaning out this closet, trying to set it up as an inventory room. And like getting shelving on the wall and some bins, some labels, and just really getting it organized. So let me show you what I need to clean out. This is the closet, y'all. I know. You're like, what? It is really a nice size, and I'm gonna clean everything off of this rack. I have places for this stuff to go. I just need to move it out of here. And I have some open space on the wall that I want to get racks and put them on. And what I need to do is just measure the wall and get those right measurement racks from Home Depot and put them on the wall. And I'm gonna still use this rack right here because I have spaces on the wall that can't be covered up, like that and that can't be covered up. So this, it is mobilized, like it has wheels at the bottom that it can go in and out, so I can get some little bins or, you know, just stack clothes on here as long as they're labeled. I just have to find places for this stuff to go. So this is it before, and I'm going to utilize some space in my kitchen because I have a lot of cabinet space. So like I have all of this clear, so I'm gonna put some stuff up here, like some of my small hookahs and just little stuff that can go up here. And then I have space upstairs. I have an attic as well. My mom really wants me to get a shed. I'm not getting a shed right now, but we're gonna make this work because we have no choice, because I'm getting tired of looking at this mess outside in my hallway in my free space. Update, guys. Yes, I came out of my shirt because it got hot. I feel like I cleaned a lot of it and I already put stuff on it already, so just check it out. So I took all the clutter stuff that was on here is off, and I just already started just putting some boxes on here, just stuff that I'm not selling yet that's for the summer drop. I just put on here just to get out the way. But yes, I cleaned a lot of stuff out of here. So what I'm gonna do with these chairs is get some really big trash bags, cover them up, and put them in my attic to get them out the way. I have to give some of these little TV tray stands back to my mom, and then I'm gonna just keep like 2. And I'm about to remove the luggage. This is my Christmas tree. This is going to be going in the attic. This is going to go in the attic. So I'm about to clear some of this stuff now. This Christmas tree, I have to wait until I get some help so I can put that upstairs in the attic. But honey, I have made progress, okay? I've made progress. And I'm going to show you guys where I put some stuff at. Because my mom's like, where did you put all that stuff at? She literally could not believe it. She said, what was you led? You got in the spirit. But I did, honey. I had my praise and worship music on. And I'm like, let's get it popping. So I cleared this out, so like I have like my extra paper towels right here. I put my little toolbox up there. I clean my little medicine part right here. I put my little mini hookahs right here. Like my outside stuff is up there, right there. I put my extra plates right here. It's just like I put my cleaning stuff down here. It's just like when you get lazy and you start just throwing stuff in like your junk closet. That's what this closet had turned into. But now we need to utilize every single space in this house, okay? Because I have grown out of my walking area. It's about to be summertime. So I want to have events and do stuff and have company. This ain't it. This ain't cute out here. So stay tuned, y'all. It is more to come, baby. Hey y'all, so we at the Home Depot and we are going with like a different design because we were gonna get something
similar to how that is.
Sort of like this, but these obviously would have been out more. But we found these, but mind you, I was gonna get bins. These are kind of like baskets already, so we can actually stitch to the merchandise in here without getting the clear bins. And see how they have like the nails, how you can like nail it in. So we're gonna actually try to do this on our own because I was gonna hire somebody to put it together, but we might make out on our own, so just stay tuned and see what we come up with. All right guys, so I got these two things. I'm gonna stack this on top of that and put that in that corner, and they're like just the clear bins, and I'm gonna label the front of them. I also picked this up. I don't need it now, But I told y'all in the last video, you have to prepare for the future. So this is for my future pop-up shop. So when I do my pop-up shop, I'll put the sets on here and hang them up. I also want to get a mannequin. I've been looking at them. I think I found a good one on eBay. So yeah, just preparing for the future, y'all. The chairs are out of here. The Christmas tree's out of here. My mom just was sweeping the floor. So we about to see what we gonna make this room do. I'm not sure how big it looks on camera, but it is a lot of space and a lot for us to work with, especially with what we have. So this is what was in there. This rolls. Dang, Mom, you know what we need a bins for? To put on here so this don't look tacky with these boxes. Here goes merchandise.
Well, family now we're up the street if you get that far.
This is gonna be the things we put on the wall. That's one of the clear bins.
She got this weak drill, y'all. Look at her little pink drill. It's weak.
Hey Siri, stop playing music. Stop playing my drill. My drill ended up working. I think it got charged. It's charging good. That's why. Look, I got it to work.
We'll put the screws on the bottom part so it don't fall out once you start putting your stuff.
Well, let's just see. Let's see if this works now.
Are you sure? Her drill whack, y'all. It's whack.
I gotta just keep playing with it.
No, you need to let it charge. You playing, using it, and it's not even fully charged.
Oh, well, there we go.
If we had a real drill, it would have been boom, boom. We would have been probably on the third one by now.
Oh, yup, that's sturdy. Where the first one is up, y'all. It was a struggle because my thing wasn't charged all the way. It's not the best drill, but baby, she working. Guys, just showing y'all some progress. We got the second one up there. We got two over here, and we're gonna have them go all the way down. Let's make it happen. We got a real drill, a manly drill. All right, ready? Yeah. Let's get it cracking. What you got it evened up with? Cause this is going past here. So we got all of these up here. I have a couple extras, so if I need them, I'm gonna put them on that wall. But now we're starting to divide this stuff up and put this stuff on the racks. So I'm going to show you guys and speed this process up for y'all. Okay guys, a little sad because this is not finished. It would have been fun to get this done today, but it's not done today because I need more racks. So I've been trying to show you guys as we progress. So you see you have all of that. I had 3 more, so we put the other 3 up here. But this is the last of the sporty collection that's up here, and I need to put more racks on this side. So I probably can get like 4 to 5 actually on this side. So I'm going to order those so I can put those extra ones here and get the rest of that up. And then I could put 2 more racks up there. I would just need a bigger step stool because that's the step stool I'm working with right now. And then don't forget, I still have this right here. I just have to get some bins to sit on here so I can see what it is and it's not these ugly brown boxes. Well, here goes another update on the closet. Since you guys last seen it, I didn't have these 2 racks up there, so I got those 2 racks there. I also have a rack right here. This is like on the side of the doorway. I have a rack there. And I went and got these clear bins from Walmart. I just bought 4 to start off with because I didn't know how they were going to work or how they were going to fit like perfectly. You know, I didn't know I was going to be able to get 2 on each rack. So this is a lot more space on this bottom row. So I'm going to get like 4 more. I probably could fit 3 there, if not 4, and then the extra one there. And if I could fit 4 down there, I'm going to get me another one, put it there. Guys, I'm literally down to only these 2 boxes, and there's barely anything in here. And here is just a large of the short sets that are in here. So excited. And guys, I'm not sure if you're gonna see this before or after, but I'm gonna be doing a huge sale on the original collection. A huge sale, like a huge sale bigger than the last sale I just did, just to get the original collection up out of here, y'all, because summer is coming through and I got some heat for y'all. I got some drip for y'all. So yeah. Hey squad, so are you guys ready for the grand big reveal? So this is gonna be the last snippet of the inventory closet turned to LightFit inventory warehouse for the time being. And I'm super proud of myself and my mom for like doing this and getting this together, because it's been a long time coming. Do you guys remember the boxes all up and down my house, like my hallway and everything? Y'all remember what the closet looked like before, when it had like a whole bunch of junk in there? Let me show you guys what it looks like now. So now I can see my hallway. There are no more boxes here at all. No more boxes. They are gone. So are you guys ready for the grand reveal? Are you ready to see LightFit's warehouse 2021? Mind you, LightFit started in February and we outgrew the couple boxes sitting in the hallway. Big time. I'm so excited looking at it. Here we go. Here we go. It's LightFit's warehouse 2021. Yes, so if you guys can imagine, this closet is very big, it's very long, and I utilized it to the best of my ability. I did not put racks up and down here like I wanted to, because you never know when I might need to get to my water heater, so I kept that open. Excuse my like couple brooms and Swiffer right here. I'm gonna get something to hang on this wall so they can just hang here, but this is what we got for now. I am gonna get like a big tub that can sit on the floor to put this stuff in, but I just wanted to get rid of the freaking brown boxes. I do like have one in that basket, and I know like might not look organized, but I do know like the sizes and stuff, like how I have it set up. And then these are the whites of those, whatever those are. Haha. Yes, and then I have like, for now I don't have my label maker, but I have like them all labeled with sizes or exactly what they are, even on the racks. And yeah, y'all, this is the only brown box we're keeping right now, because this has my clear packaging and it also has the LightFit packaging at the bottom, until I can get something to put this in. But I'm super satisfied. I have my freaking house back, getting rid of, and I'm so happy. No more brown boxes. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you have any questions about where I got stuff from, how I put it up, you know, if you can't really tell in the video, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up this button if you think we did a good job. If you have any suggestions on what I can do to utilize the space even more, comment down below. Mind you, we did not use any special contractors. We didn't use anyone that had experience. My mom and I did all of this, okay? So any suggestions, any comments, comment and let me know. Yeah, so I'm so happy. I'm super, super happy. This is a big accomplishment, a big goal checked off the list that I wanted to get done. And summer drip coming really soon. We're in the month of May. Summer drip is dropping in June. So be ready, y'all. Be ready. We have a whole bunch of shorts going on. It's a whole bunch of shorts going on, y'all. A whole bunch of shorts. And y'all haven't even seen all the shorts. I think it's the one pair of shorts that you guys have not seen at all yet. Yeah, okay. So y'all know what I always say. Be the light wherever you go, because wherever you go, the light shall follow. Love you guys so much. Bye.